Do you ever see something like this before? You never feel sometime like you feel like you want dash it way? How long you have been using a pump like this? You're not tired of take you up? Stick and stay and you will see what's coming next.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. In today's video, it's all about if you use this pump, you can throw it away. Alright? Stick and stay to the channel. You will learn a lot. Yes, my people, you don't know it's your boy Ever Slick. In this video, it's all about all of those person who is walking around with asthma. Yeah? So listen up now, my people. It is very easy and simple to throw away this unit here. You're walking around with pumps in your bag, more than one. You know what I mean? It is very easy and simple to throw it away and forget about pump. See? Remember, the Bible said, it is not me. Herbs are the healing of the nation. Every sickness that mankind have can be cured with herbs. You know what I mean? But some of us, we don't believe in these things. Yeah? It's all about. But trust me, herbs can heal any sickness. Yeah? So it's all about asthma. So if you have asthma, tune into this video right now. Let me give you in Jamaican term. Yeah man, if you have asthma, check out that video. Yeah. See? Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. It's all about Jamaican farmers hut. See? Big up on yourself, my people. Alright? The first herb on the list. My people. Yeah? Look good. You know what is this? Do you know this herb? Merengue. Merengue. My people, merengue. Or meranga. Whatever you want to call it. Merengue. Alright? So, in real life, you have to have these plants at home, you know, so that you can run to it at any time to get a piece of merengue. Alright, the second plant on the list is look on the leaf. Take a good look, my people. Take a good look, my people. Neem. Neem. N-E-E-M. Neem. This is the neem plant. Alright? Don't forget, all these herbs supposed to be quailed. Only one don't have to be quailed. When I reach to it, I will show you it. But all the rest have to be quailed before use. Okay? Herbs are the healing of the nation. Oh no, me say so in Jamaican term. Third herb on the list to make you throw away this machine here. That if you want to throw it away, because you have some people that tell me say, asthma can't cure because me born with it. Miss Curry, big up yourself. Yes, but trust me, you can throw away this pump. You can have this pump and forget that you have it. forget that you have you have it. All right. I'm gonna show you a blossom. The third plant. Focus. Focus. The third plant. This is the blossom. Yeah. The third plant on the list, my people, my beautiful people. I picked them from yesterday, so it kind of quail, almost start to quail. You see those little blossom? Yeah, this plant is the miracle plant. The miracle plant. The blue vervain. The blue vervain. In a Jamaica, we call it vervine. Because you know we Jamaican always change up the names them. Yeah? So we call it vervine in a Jamaica. You see a plant here? It is the miracle plant. It is very powerful to the human body. Yeah? It is very powerful as what my Trinidad friend, it is very powerful to the human body. Yes, my boy, I tell you, boy. Yes, that's what my Trinidad friend said. Yeah. The blue vervain. We call it vervine here in Jamaica. Alright? Before we go to the fourth plant is the most powerful plant here towards dashing away this. The fourth plant is the most powerful. Alright? But you see this plant here? The blue vervain, it is very powerful. Any sickness at all, this alone can cure it. This one plant, the blue vervine, go and check it out. This one plant can heal yourself. You can heal your body. First comment, when you boil this and start to drink it, because I drink this most of the time for my tea. When you boil this herb and start to drink it, it make you sleep. Sleep, me people. You never get up and you can't sleep. You go to your bed 9 o'clock and by 10 o'clock you wake up and you can't go back to sleep. Check it out. Vervine, it make you sleep. Remember, my people, you have to sleep for your body to heal. Let me reframe myself. You have to sleep for your body to be healed. Alright? And most of the time you don't have to drink herbs or take no medication. Just sleep alone can heal your body. If you never know that. But this plant here, there's a thing called mucus in the human body. This plant, take it out. And remember, why the reason this plant alone can heal you? Mucus is the only sickness of the human body. If you know what is mucus. You never see someone with the cold running from their nose. Mucus, too much mucus in them nose, in them body. Yeah? When you drink this, I would use the Simple Bible with it, but the Simple Bible, it no organic. It have in starch. The Simple Bible, it have in starch. So I would never advise you to use Simple Bible. It would best to put the tuna with it. Yeah. So yes, my people, when you drink this plant alone, it take mucus out of your body. And if you can take mucus out of your body, all sickness is gone. When you have diabetes, it is the pancreas that is top up. So the insulin can't leave from the pancreas to go to your body because it top up with mucus. So once you can clear the mucus from your body, you don't have any sickness. This plant here, it bring back your body to when you just born. Let me go now in a patwa. Yeah, it bring back your body to when you just born, my people. Good plant. So let me tell you something now. I see this guy spraying grass And I said to myself, I wonder, because I know that some of these plant was there. And when I check, the guy spray all of the vervine. And I said, whoa, that guy is something else. He don't know how powerful this plant is. So yes, my people, we are leading back to the fourth. Yeah, we're leading to the fourth plant now. This plant is the most effective plant to the human body. You know why? It have that scent and it have that fragrance. Whoa! Smell nice with people. Trust me. You have to open your eyes wide when you smell this. You can also put it in your soup. You can make all tea with it, but make it quail, my people. It take a long while to quail, you know, my people. It take a long while. When Bush Pan tell you, no, it take a long while to quail. Sometimes you have it in the kitchen, it come like the leaf of life. Yes, it take a long while. Like it can't quail. Yes, my people. The fourth plant on the list. And you can throw away this little thing here. Yes, this little gadget, you can throw it away and don't use it anymore. Alright? Oregano. Oregano? Yes. Oregano, I guess, is the real name for it. Some people call it Chinese thyme. Some call it thick mint. There is a lot of name because you know we Jamaican. You know we Jamaican how we tan, don't it? Yes. Oregano. Yes. That's the name. It is a very powerful plant to the person who have asthma. You know what this does? When you boil this and drink it, it go down in your lungs and it take out all those mucus. It and the merengue, they all work together. When you drink it, it go down into your lungs. But this, the oregano, it have a strong scent. Yeah. So when it go down into your lungs, all of these four plants here, it started to root and it dig out all the mucus. When it dig the mucus from out your lungs, it pull also the asthma with it. Yes. And if you should vomit, you will see a lot of white thing coming up into your vomit. It is the mucus. It is the mucus and the asthma is coming out of you. But you're not going to lose it in one go. You have to continue to use this. And trust me, you're trying to know that you stop using this little tool here. You stop pump. You hear that? Yeah, you stop pump. You have some people keep telling me, ever slick? No. Asthma can't cure. Lie them I tell. Now make them fool them people. Every sickness of the human body can cure. See? So that is the reason why if you drink the blue vervain, just it alone, it will cure a many sickness that you have. Because it remove all the mucus from your body. So listen up now, my people, when you boil all the herbs together. Yeah? When you boil all the herbs together. You're not gonna boil it down don't boil it for a long while. Once it start to boil up, after 1 minute boiling, turn off the stove, make it cool. After it cool, you buckle it. You can put it on your fridge and you drink it whenever you need. Like you need a cup of water, yeah, you can drink a cup. But it is best to take 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening. Alright, my rooster friend. I'm a rooster friend that I make nice now. I saw him, once me I record, him I go make nice. I saw him work. Yeah, because him want go on the camera too, you know. Same one guy in England, so it look like I hit him out. But him alright. So yes, my people. The people with asthma. Yeah, man. If you want to throw it away, if you want to throw this little guy, yeah? If you want to throw him away, it is very easy. All you got to do, these 4 herbs, the oregano, the vervine, the neem, and the merengue. Alright? Get those 4 plants put together and boil them. I tell you boy, the mint sweet, the oregano, nice, beautiful scent. You can just put a leaf in your house and for the whole time Put it in your kitchen and your kitchen smell nice for the whole entire time. You know what I mean? But hear me now, my people. You see, if you have little clove, you can put it also inside there. You can boil it with a little clove. Yeah. See it, my people? So hear me now. I go leave on right now, but hear what I say now. Love God and live. Saying, love people. Do good. And good will follow you, because what come from your mouth, it defiles you, you know. So try to say something good, because anything you say out your mouth, it defiles you. If you say bad, bad is going to happen to you. So say good, you know. Do something good. Try to help. Give an helping hand to who need it. Because you know the people who need help. Because some don't want it, you know. Yes. So yes, my people. Bless up and love up on yourself here. Love God and live. It's the only way out. Because it's only when you have a little love inside, you know, it will carry through the day. And a little love, every other thing what you want will be added unto you. Ever slick. Peace. And I'm gonna be out. Throw away your pump. Peace, my people. Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.